The example of the pond that the crayfish will die easily. So if you look at the ground, some predators might easily jump from there. So I just put some netting on the side so that the frogs will not go inside, or either way around, the crayfish, if they jump on the chapal pond, they cannot escape. So if you notice, there were fish that can survive on this chapal pond. However, guppy fish will easily die as well on this pond. Danios, zebrafish, and tuxedo platy were the survival on the pond. The reason why the fish die here is this. Above the netting is not covered the pond, right? The net only from here, there, then the pond from here. So the sunlight on the side will penetrate inside of the pond and temperature rise, kill the fish and crayfish. Okay, right? So once you grow crayfish, crawfish outside, make sure it has enough protection on the sunlight that it will cause high temperature on the water. The problem on the water is if you boiled a container, all of the water, it will spread the high temperature. It's really hot. Same with the pond. Even the hides is on the middle. If you place hides that they can hide, as long as the water, all of the water is hot, they will cook up, based on my experience. And if you see the logic, you need to just put a net. There were two ways you can cover the net above, high elevated, that the air can flow through. Also minimize the high temperature, but the idea is around 3 meters high, because even if you put the net below, it still produce high temperature, right? Even if I place a temperature on this, you can see. So this is not suitable for fish or crayfish due to the netting. Netting is not enough. At least 3 to this is 6 feet or 5 feet tall, right? In terms of feet, that's the idea, that the wind can flow through. So I just buy already a net that I can place on here. Hopefully I'll just use this. And I already placed because sometimes it got a lot of rain, the fish will jump over here. So I'll just place a barrier. I know crayfish, I already experienced that the crayfish climb up from here, but craylings cannot climb around 1 to 3 inches. So that's the idea. So I may put some crayfish or might not, but let's see. Another experiment, another experience, another word to share with you guys. Thank you.